we're going to be installing these two seats right here. Let's get it. Welcome to my world. So on the video that I did unboxing them, I got a lot of people ask me how the hell I'm going to install them. So obviously there are a lot of adapter brackets you can buy, there are a lot of different power rails you can buy. So you can buy power rails for these seats to generically go into the car itself. But today I'm going to be installing them using these. So these are Jazz Performance Sparco Sprint mounting brackets for the NA and NB MX5. So I got these from MX5 Mania. They sent me these out. So these are literally plug and play. So you bolt these to the Sparco's bottoms, and then those mount to the stock NB and NA rails. It allows you to put the stock rails on. You can still run the stock rails and sliders, and it still allows the slider to work, so you can still go the full 15 clicks forward and back. And I think these might actually allow you to go a bit further back than stock. So I'm going to show you how to put these on, and then how to put the rails on, and then we're going to put the seats in. Alrighty, so I have the seats out of their plastics. So in these seats there is not a driver nor a passenger seat, they're the exact same seat, so you kind of get to dictate which one is which. So we're going to go with driver, passenger. So as you can see with these rails, there are two that are the exact same, which I believe are the driver ones, and there are two that are a bit different. So these ones are the passenger ones, and they're like that because on the passenger side in these MX5s, the width changes, and this allows you to have the seat sitting dead center for the passenger, and it allows it just makes it a lot easier to actually install them. So we're going to put these ones on the driver's side, these ones on the passenger side, and they supply you with some nice looking shiny hardware that go in with an Allen key. So let's put them in. Alright, so with these adapter rails, what I can gather from the instructions is for the left hand side seat, the thicker, wider one goes on the inner side of the left-hand seat, and the narrow one goes on the outer side. So this is the side closest to the transmission tunnel, and this is the side closest to the door. Alright, so now I got both adapter rail sides on, both of the Jazz Performance MX5 Mania rails are on. Now we have to go out into the cold and get the seats out of my MX5. Yay. So lucky for us, MX5 seats are very easy to take out. It's literally 4 bolts, and on our driver's seat it's the connector. All you're gonna do is take out 1, 2, slide the seat forward, and then they'll be in the exact same positions 3 and 4. Take them out, seat comes out. Alright, now we have to do it on that side. Take those 4 out, lift the seat out, that's all there is to it. Alright, so it's super simple to take these off, guys. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Take them off, and the rails come off. So I'm going to take these off, and we're going to take them down and put them onto the blue ones. Alright, so now that I have the stock rails off, literally all I'm going to do is put the passenger side onto that one, and the driver's side onto this one, and they'll be ready to go in. Alright, so I've got the driver's side one on, and let me just say, that is the easiest thing I think I've ever done on a car in my life. Like, literally you just chuck the brackets on, you chuck the rails on, that's it. There's nothing else to it. Hopefully, I've put the brackets on right. I'm not 100% sure. If I have, they're just gonna go directly in, and it's gonna be direct fit, and it's gonna be mad. So let's see if they go in. I honestly can't tell you how much easier that was compared to the last time that I installed Sparco Sprints on my green MX5. It literally took me like 4 or 5 hours last time because I didn't have those adapter brackets. If you're going to put Sparco Sprints in your MX5, get Jazz Performance MX5 Mania adapter brackets, because these are so good. I can't believe how much better and how much easier that was to get in. And like, look how low I'm sitting. That's like a good couple of inches, and I'm 6'3". Oh man, these are good. These are good. All right, I'm gonna sit in the driver's one and we're gonna see how much more room it gives you with these brackets on. Oh, okay, okay. First of all, okay, so I had a Sparko Sprint Junior in this car, all right? First of all, so much easier to get in. Like, no joke. That was so much easier to get into. And just, I don't know, it's so much like comfier. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because they're brand new, but like, I don't know, I kind of just, when I get in my old one, I just kind of go, thunk. These ones, I get in and I'm like, ooh, baby. Ooh, feels good, man. Like, it feels really good. Honestly, I can fully extend my legs. That's wild. I'm 6'3", guys, and I can fully extend my legs. Oh, that is perfect. Oh my goodness. Like, when I'm pressed on the clutch, my leg is nearly straight, but it's at a good enough angle that I'm not gonna break my legs if I get in an accident. Oh, guys. Oh, wow. These are amazing. But yeah, big shout out to MX5 Mania for the adapter brackets because they made this install so much easier. Yeah guys, if you have any questions about fitting Sparko Sprints or the brackets or anything, make sure you drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I'm gonna go enjoy me some brand new Sparko 2020 goodness, bruh. I'm gonna go enjoy me some goodness, and that literally took me like half an hour. Half an hour to install aftermarket bucket seats in your car. There's no other way. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Catch you out.